G'day everyone and welcome back to the next part of this. We're going to get in and start decorating this page, the second page. And I've kind of got some ideas together. We're going to get in, we'll see how we go and see if something eventuates. So let's do this top bit first. And what we are going to do is I'm going to use up some scraps. So I've got this bit here. So I can either use that bit there, or I think I'm going to use the oceany bit. Alright, I'm going to just trim it down a little bit. Trim it down a little bit. Little bit. Probably should check to see how much I need to trim it down by. Yeah. Alright. If we go for that. Okay. So I've got that bit there now. And we just take a little bit off the end. Kind of want to see those bubbles. Bubble, toil and trouble. Alright, looks good. Okay. Oh, so, in the time since this video and the last one, I ended up, I had said in the last one my knee was not good. Well, the boyfriend come back and said, "Oh, do you want to come out in the boat?" And I'm like, "Listen, I don't think I'm up to getting in and out of the boat." And he goes, "Oh, we'll go off the jetty." And I'm like, "Oh, yeah, I'm really, So I took some painkillers and I went out, which was fine. Ended up being as windy as all buggery and ended up drenched from everywhere. And then tried to get out of the boat at the end, and I was wet and I was all this, and then that was all I was managing awkwardly. And then I tried to get into his truck and I just did it good and proper. So yeah, I don't know what I've done. So it's all strapped up again and all now, and I can only hope for the best that I won't make it any worse. Alright, I'm going to use this bit here. So let's go for about there's. And then let's try cutting off a bit again. I think that will be... Yep. Oh, yep. It's got me thinking. Now, that's because listening to Carrie and Tommy on the radio yesterday, and oh my god, they started talking about Sesame Street, and yep, and now that's all I've got in my head. And absolutely cackling myself because they were getting people to ring up and ask them questions, and they were going to answer yep, or nope. But now that's all that's in my head. And it's like, can we not? So, I've put magnet there. Probably should explain that, shouldn't I? Doing real well. Oh. Yeah, so I was like, so I'm sitting here and I thought I'll get in and do some of this before I take some stronger painkillers and try and get some sleep tonight, because I gotta work tomorrow, and yeah. It's like, yep. Okay, so there we go. So we got that. Alright, now we're going to put this over the top with this. Okay, so we got this. Alright, I'm going to glue this on. I've gone around the edge of this with aged brass wax thing. Art Alchemy, metallic wax, aged brass. And this is one of the circle cuts from the 8x8 pack. Yeah. center. I did end up giving it butts too, if you didn't notice. I gave them the butts. But. Alright. This reminds me of a picture I had up in the lounge room when I was growing up. Okay. A ship on the ocean. Okay, so we got that. And then come in and get the rubber. Rub out that bit. No, most people are going to see that, but anyway. And we will go for there. I was going to put it down another piece of cardstock, but I don't think I'm going to because I don't want to put too much between the magnets. So we will go for that. And that will do, I think. There we go. So that's all closed up. All closed up. Alright, now let's get in and do this bit. Okay, what am I thinking? Who knows? I've got a whole lot of pile of stuff there with some ideas. We will see what eventuates. Okay, so I'm thinking this guy. Alright, so I'm going to... I worked it out before that it should be right, because I'm going to use it down here as well. If I cut it off where that border is. So that is what I am going to do. Alright. Now, this should be just under 4. So if we go 4, it's like my head's in the way now because I'm trying to see. Go 4 there. Pencil. That's the cut thing I'm looking for. Go along there. It's cool. It's good. Alright. Okay, so we got this. So let's start putting this together. Alright. Okay, first one. We will go for... it's like... There we go. So I can see. There. Alrighty. There we go. So let's put some butts on. I kind of like the idea of the, you know, the one on top of the ocean and then underneath it is the one under it. I was like, why not? I like that idea. There. Let's glue this down. Okay. There we go. Now, theoretically, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hopefully this is 3, and it is. So I'm just going to quickly cut them all into 1/2-inch strips, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so I've cut them. I'm back, and let's put these guys on. Let's see how we go. So I've given them more little bits. obviously a bit of scrap card here just so I can see what I'm doing. It's like, yes. Then after this, this decorating, I would have done one page. I've got a feeling it's only going to be a 3-page album because there'd be a lot of stuff that we're doing in these pages, which is good. We want them interactive. We want all that kind of stuff. As I said, it will be dependent on how much paper I have at the end of it. I'm trying to be, you know, not stingy, but at least economical with it. And trying to make sure that I'm trying to space it out as much as I can. Alright. I didn't think about the last one. I've already buttered it, but I don't think I'm going to use it simply because I've got, hold on, it's not quite right. I've got other stuff that needs to go under there, so we'll see what happens. There we go. See, adventurer. Okay, there we go. Obviously went a bit crooked as I've done it, but that works. See, adventurer. I'm still going to put it down and make it work. I've got an idea, but we'll fix that as we get to it. Alright. There we go. So we've got that. That looks pretty good. I like that. I like that. Now, let's do what I was going to do in there, but I'm going to have to make it smaller now. I'm going to put a little pocket in. I had it already organised, but I'm just going to have to make it a little bit shorter. Just no big drama. I'm going to make it to there. Score that. And cut it. So I've just scored around all 3 sides. Like a normal pocket kind of one. We'll add at the corners. I thought a little pocket back here would be cute. Like a little tiny pocket. Be cute. There we go. Let's tuck on that in. A bit of tape. Now let's add something. these guys. I'm just going to cut it to the same height, I think. Right. One. Two. Yes, I can get 3 out of each one. That's good. Let's put these guys in. Repeat. It's that's wrong. Alright. Two. I don't know if I need that last one, but anyway. Find another way to use it. I've already got an idea. There we go. And then I reckon along here would look pretty nice. There we go. Okay, so we got that. Next bit. Okay, done. Okay, now I'd like to use this treasure chest down here. But the question is, how do we go about doing it? A little bit of glitter here would be nice, just to add something. A little touch, a little separation between them. Alright. Okay, now we're going to do that. Will it fit in? It will, but I'm going to have to chop off the bottom bit. Right. So let's have a look at this. Right. Let's go. Right along the base of that. There we go. And then I'm going to chop more poor Mr. Octopus's head off, but that's okay. Let's go there. do that. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We will see. Alright. Now, just need to chop a little bit off the edge. Just a sliver. Alright. Okay, that's better. Now I'm going to ink it. Now, before I put this down, got to think about closure. And I've got an idea for the closure, but I need to put ribbon down. So I'm thinking of doing that. Alright? So kind of like, you know, just kind of closure. It ties in with this. And I want a couple of ribbons that we can come up and tie it there. Okay, I'm going to go for, I don't know, yay much. And yay much. Which is about, for those that want to know, what, 9.5 inches? Okay. And I'm going to tie that down. What's the word? Tape. That's the word I'm looking for. Tape that down over here. One. And do the same over on this one. And there we go. And that will go like that. There we go. All right. There we go. Now I've got to think about what I'm going to put along here. Well. Let's come into this bit. And this is looking promising. A little bit of timber. Lid of my chest. I think that will work. Alright. I'm going to cut it first. There. Should see if it fits. Oh, look at that. Couldn't get any more perfect. Meant to be. That was not even planned. Okay. Now we got that side or that side. I kind of like that side better. Alrighty. That way. But. Yeah. On there. There we go. There. Excellent doll. Okay, let's put this in the center. Probably should mark it, shouldn't I? Oh, you know. Let's go for about there. Okay. Let's try again. Alright. I'm just going to pencil dot where I need to put some holes. Yep. Then get pokey. And we're going to go for 1, 2, 3. I've got something on my pokey tool. Oh, there we go. Alright, it's come off now. Now I need some brads. I wonder if they were ever named after a Brad. Curious question. Gee. Alright, let's have a look. Pokey. Yeah, 1. Get the bottom one in. Maybe. If I can find a hole. There we go. Let's see if I want it that way. Okay, like that. The other 2. Oh, idiot Tammy. I'm doing it before I even got through there. Yep. Definitely nearly time for bed. Alright. Let's put a little bit of tape here. A little bit of tape there, just to make sure everything stays down nicely. And might use that in there, because why not? It fits perfectly. Okay. Let's go for butt. Let's ink it down. All the weird noises I do make. go. Done. We got that. Now, theoretically, probably should have checked it before I did it, eh? We can. And 3. And then maybe the other 3. And I don't know. Maybe how could we do this? We could perhaps do a. Oh, this could work. A loop and tie. That works. Cool. Alright. We'll play with that as we work through. Haven't finished yet. Okay. Let's put in this. I'll go just nicely in there, I think. Yeah. It's a nice little page to try and use up just like some little bits of little bits and pieces left over from the first page. That works out really good. There we go. So put that in there. Works just fine. Right, now on to these pockets. And what to do here. Okay. Let's tidy up a little bit. So I'm not confused by all the bits of paper. Alright. So I'm thinking these up here. Okay. So let's go for there. Wait up. I'm going to. I want to take a small little divot out. I think. So if we come in, hold that in there. Let's see if I can do it. That is the question. Oh my god, that's way too big. Maybe not with that one. If I come in with a smaller one, can I do it? Alright. Question is, however, I don't want that to move. Okay. Alright. It's about there. Yep. Now, let's see if I can repeat it on the other one. Right, let's see what we can do. That's good. There we go. Alright, now let's ink it up. Like that. There we go. There we go, nearly 35 in. Cool. We'll finish this little top bit off, and then I think we might leave it there for this one, and we'll do the inside of the page in the next one. So I reckon we're getting close. Alright. What I want to do, I'll strip down here like this. Alright. Into there. I like this colour. It reminds me of the ocean twinkling. Nice colour. Alright, so we got that. Now I'm going to do the same here. Let's go. That one. And I have this piece left over. Oh, the script looks good. I like the script. It's a little bit calmer than... yeah, I like that. I like that. Changed my mind. I was going to use the other side, now I'm going to use this side. Alright, so I'm going to take off that yay. Okay. Then we'll go on here. The other one. And then we'll go this one here. Clearly that's not straight. I'll straighten that up. Did I knock off my thing? Probably. Let's see if that one fits up there better. Go there. And this one comes down here. Looks good. Alright. That way there's always room to come back and decorate this. It's a little bit calmer in the background. And come in and we'll do that. The same down here. Alright, now in the background we're going to do this one. Yes, I was hoping there'd be enough, and there is. So that is good. Alright. No idea. Okay, let's glue these down before we worry about that. I'm just going to come along here, glue that down, down bottom. I'm just going to take that little hunk off. Alright. Okay. Hunk off. This. Okay. Come on. There we go. There we go. Okay. So we have the majority done. I think all I'll probably end up doing is using some plainer paper in here and probably some photo mats. But I think for general, I think we're pretty good to, oh wait, up this one. Oh, of course I forgot this bit. Alright. Well, I'm going to leave it there anyway. And all those bits on the inside we can come back with things that are left over. And I'd rather get the outside bits done, the stuff that we see, and then come back and I'll do all of this with any of the leftover things that we have, because they're on the inside, so they don't matter as much. So let's tie this one up. Okay. And like, how am I going to do this? I don't know. I reckon in like that. I reckon in like Flynn. No. Maybe. Maybe if we go over the top, through the center, and then either side. Hey, I worked it out. And typo. That looks good. There we go. I knew I'd figure it out. There we go. Alright. So we'll leave that be for now. I think I'm going to put a couple of magnets, however, here. We'll do that before I go so I don't forget that that's what I'm going to do. Some magnets out, and I'm going to go for that's even better. It's attaching to the one underneath. Love it, love the work. Right. tea there, but don't need tea. Okay. Alright. Unintentional, but even better. Okay, so let's do that. And that. Stay. Okay, one. Two. Let's glue them down. And I think just to be on the safe side, we might put another couple there. Theoretically that should hold these guys down. Yeah. Okay. One, two, and that should hold it all there. Look at us go. Wow, that was my intention all along. Did you not know that? Totally was. Okay, so I like how that's looking. So we'll come back in the next one, next video, and do this internal bit. And then we'll be laughing. Alright, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you so much. If you're still hanging on with me, I do appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. As always, remember, be kind, be strong, be aware. See you later. Bye.